The most memorable moment of last year's Fridge Festival was probably me and Elias winning the whole thing. Elias got first and I got second, and standing on top of the in-run, just having a great time, and yeah, we won it.
What comes into my mind when I hear Budapest is, I don't know, a lot of crazy people, good parties, and yeah, just a lot of fun. It's an awesome city, and every year I'm stoked to come back.
Last year I did a double 10 for my trick at the Fridge Festival, and this year I think I have to up that a little bit to even get second, so it's gonna be exciting to see what we can pull off. Okay, Hungarian words. Sarate?
Yeah, my Hungarian is actually very good. 2 words. The one is pussy, means kiss, and the other one is szia, that means hey, I think so. Very good. I could do a whole conversation in Hungarian.
I'm just American. Stupid American trash. I'm just American. Stupid American trash. I've got this planet in my hands. Yeah, I'll try to save it if I can. I'm satisfied with myself, don't care for anyone else. I'm so united when I stand. 'Cause I'm just American. American trash. American trash. I'm just American.
Hope you guys enjoy watch PK and me skiing, and see you next year.
Boom.
Boom.